So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of Mural projects. So let's say you don't want to see the Mural projects here anymore, but you don't want to delete them either, but you want to save them for a later time. So in that case, what you can do is you can archive out your Mural projects. And over here in the home page, I'm going to go around onto Murals. So I just see the Murals right here. So if you want to archive these out, you can click on the triangular icon right here. And here you can see that you have an option to archive this out. So I'm just going to go around and archive the mural right here, and you won't see it there anymore. Similarly, you can go around, archive this mural, and you can archive out this mural over here as well. And all the murals are archived, so you don't see it in home page right here anymore or in the mural section. But if you want to access the murals, what you can do is you can click on the room right here. In the open room section, you can see my room name right here. So once you click over here on the top right hand side, you can see that right now active murals is chosen. So that means they are the murals which are not archived. But if you were to go around and click over here and click on archive mural, then what you have is these murals right here. So you can see that they are all archived. And if you were to go around and click right here, you can unarchive it. And then what happens is that you can unarchive the mural and it goes back being a regular mural. So on the active mural, you will be able to see this and you will be able to edit this normally. And even in home page right here, you can see that the mural is back. In mural section as well, the mural is back, as you can see. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.